Hey, what's going on guys? Asad here. In this tutorial I'm gonna teaching you the CSS to be make it as a class platform. So those who don't know what class platform is, you know, HTML and CSS and JavaScript work in many kind of devices. I think all of them, because though we need only browser to run those, So when you make a web page for the what we call laptop or computers, the problem with is when you use in the what we call mobile, it won't work properly. As you can see here, it won't properly work properly because it all automatically don't have a good shape. So for that to happen, we can need to make it cross platform. So how we gonna make this, right? So for that to happen, we need something called percentage. Yeah, this one. So never use what we call pixels, use percentage. Whenever you see there, make it those. So in that way it won't failed on any another platform like mobile. So the problem is, it will solve the big problem. We do not need to design everything by on HTML, that for this to that and that to this, like that. So always change what we call pixels to percentage. And now you see, uh, I know it's goddamn big, but you need to precise, change into precise something like it's the we will make the something like 2% width of them. That's so small, like 20%, and then yeah, that's now working, right? And the paddings, we will need to change the paddings of this. Soon I'm gonna working on that, like here. Now if you go to change into mobile, you can see it's now supported, which was not in the earlier case. It was like big slashes on there, and now it's become cost platform. This is the way it's work. So avoid pixels and use percentage. Simple as that. And in that way everything work properly. So yeah, this is the last CSS, what we call CSS tutorial. And after that, I'm not gonna make any CSS tutorials. You can, if you want, if you can learn JavaScript, because you will become front-end developer when you know HTML, CSS. And that's about it, guys. You'll learn the basics and fundamentals, or you can say higher knowledge also, because these are the higher knowledge of CSS. So see you guys in the in any another playlist.